second unit. The topic is kinematics. Today we are going to learn about addition of vectors, page number 47. To add two vectors, we have two laws. First law is triangular law of addition. Second law is parallelogram law of addition. In this video, we are going to see about triangular law in addition in detail. There are two vectors. This one is vector A. This vector is vector B. Here, this arrow mark portion is called head. This portion is called tail. To add vector A and vector B, the procedure is as follows. First draw the vector A and vector B as adjacent sides of a triangle in the same order. Same order means the head of A and tail of B will be joined. Now the resultant vector will be the opposite side of the triangle. These two vectors are the adjacent side of a triangle. Now the resultant will be the opposite side of the triangle and it will be taken in reverse order. Reverse order means tail of R or tail of R vector and tail of A vector will be joined. Likewise, head of R vector and head of B vector also joined. R vector equal to A vector plus B vector. First we are going to find out magnitude of resultant vector. Here magnitude means value. Now consider this triangle OAB. Here the portion OA is called A vector and the portion AB is called B vector. The portion OB is called R vector. Now extend the portion B and A like this. Now say this point as N and this angle 90 degree right angle. So this angle ANB is a right angle triangle. Right angle means 90 degree. The angle between A and B is theta. So this angle will be 180 degree minus theta. Consider the triangle ABN. This one is a short triangle. Consider the triangle ABN. Find out cos theta. The formula for cos theta is adjacent side hypotenuse. This portion is adjacent side to theta. This portion is hypotenuse. This portion is opposite side. This one opposite. This one adjacent. This one is hypotenuse. Now, the formula for cos theta is adjacent side by hypotenuse. This portion is AN by this portion AB. AB is called B. So from this we can find out the value of AN. The value of AN is equal to, from this formula find out the value of AN. AN equal to cos theta. This B will come this side. Here B is in the denominator. When this B comes right hand side of equal sign, left hand side of equal sign, this denominator will goes on the numerator. So AN equal to cos theta into this B. So B cos theta. So instead AN we can write B cos theta. This portion. Now find out the value of sin theta. This angle ABN. Find out sin theta. Sin theta equal to opposite side by hypotenuse. Opposite side value BN by hypotenuse value B. From this find out the value of BN. BN equals to sin theta into this B. So B into sin theta. So the value of BN is B sin theta. This portion. OBN. This one is a long triangle. Triangle OBN. Here we are going to apply Pythagoras theorem, that is OB squared equal to ON squared plus BN squared. OB squared equal to ON squared plus BN squared. Here the portion ON splitted in two, that is OA plus AN. So OB squared portion is called R. So R squared equal to ON squared. Instead ON squared, we can write OA plus AN. So OA plus AN the whole square plus the value of BN is B sin theta. B sin theta the whole square. Now R squared equal to OA. The portion OA is A. So A here squared. A is not. Don't apply this square now. A plus the value of AN is B cos theta. B cos theta the whole square plus B squared sin squared theta. B squared sin squared theta. Now we are going to expand this formula according to this formula. A plus B the whole square equal to A square plus B square plus 2AB. This one is in the form of A plus B the whole square. So apply that formula here. R square equal to, from this one, A square plus this square. So B square cos square theta. B square cos square theta plus 2A into B cos theta plus B square sin square theta. Now R squared equal to A square plus, here we have B square cos square theta, B square sin square theta. We are going to join this two term into one. So B square, take the common term outside, B square into cos square theta plus sin square theta plus this value 2AB cos theta. This one is equal to R squared equal to A squared plus B squared into the value of cos square theta plus sin square theta equal to 1. The value of this term will be 1. So we can neglect this term. A square plus B square plus 2AB cos theta. The value of R is the resultant vector. Here the topic is magnitude of resultant vector. Here R is the resultant vector. The value of R is equal to square root of A square plus B square plus 2AB cos theta. First part we find out magnitude of resultant vector. The second part we are going to find out direction of resultant vector. For that, take the long triangle OBN. Consider the triangle OBN. Here, take tan alpha, not theta, alpha. Tan alpha equal to the formula is opposite side by adjacent side. The value of opposite side is BN by adjacent side is ON. This we can write as BN by ON. We can split by OA plus AN. OA plus AN. Now tan alpha equal to, the value of BN is B sin theta by the value of OA is A plus value of AN is B cos theta. Now we want the angle alpha. Alpha equal to, when this tan goes on this side, right hand side of equal sign, it will become tan inverse of this portion B sin theta by A plus B cos theta. That's all. In this triangular law of addition, the first part we found magnitude of resultant vector, and the second part we found direction of resultant vector. That's all, students. Study well this question.